Okay guys, in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing this like a bulldozer or tractor, and it's a remote control. So here's the box that it comes with. Okay. Alright, so it was like right here, sitting somewhere here. I don't remember which way, but I already took it out. Let's go ahead and see. So we have a USB charging cable. Okay, we have a small screwdriver. Let's go ahead and show you. So this pretty much is all plastic, okay? And this one is actually metal. You can hear. Okay, so we have the speaker here, on off switch here, and there's a battery like right here. Okay, so we open this up like that. We have a battery here. Okay, so pretty much this cable connects here like that, and you can just plug this in to a USB port and you can charge it. It will turn off on its own. When you plug it in, the red light is on, and when the light is off, that means it's charged. So I already tried charging it. It takes like about 1 hour, maybe 2 at the most. So even though this battery looks very small for this tractor, but I tried it and I kind of like it, and it does the work pretty much. Let's go ahead and close everything. Okay. I didn't lock it all the way. There we go. Okay. So here's the remote. So right here we have a demo. If we click, it's gonna do some tricks. And this one is to lift this up or down, and that's for controlling the vehicle. So we have, I think they did not provide the batteries for the remote, so you need to have your own batteries for this. Those are just regular batteries, or maybe they provided. So I think they provided, yeah, because these are not my batteries as far as I remember. So pretty much 2 AAA batteries. Let's put this back in. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it can do. So you guys can see there's a light blinking. Okay, and if you want to know the size of it, it's not that big, and it's not that small either. So pretty much, it's a good size, I would say. 4.5 wide, and this down is like 10.5 pretty much, or 10-inch in length. So as you can hear, it actually makes noise or sound. Okay, that's forward, that's reverse, to right, left. I gotta lift this up. Okay, so as I told you, if you click this, it's gonna do a demo. Then I just press the demo button, it's gonna stop. Okay, so what I wanna say about this is that I wish it had like 2 buttons to lift this up or down, but in this case there's only 1 button that goes like pretty much in circle. See, if I can just keep pressing it, it's gonna do the same thing. See, so I tried loading like a truck. I also have a truck, and it cannot, because as you can see, if I lift this up like that and I come up to a truck to load it, then I press and it's going down. So pretty much it cannot. I can demonstrate this for you. So in this case, you need like a ramp for the truck, so it can actually go like this, and then you can load the truck with it. So here's what I'm talking about. I'm lifting this up, I come up to a truck to load it, and I press the same button. Let's see, I'm actually surprised that it actually lifted the itself up, because last time I've done it and it would like click inside, like it cannot lift itself up. But in this case, oh yeah, you can hear the clicking. See, I don't want to break it, so you do need like a ramp here, or if you're playing in sand, you do need a ramp, like some sand here, and then if it's like this, then it can go ahead and load. Okay, so let's see what it can do. Looks like it does get stuck sometimes if we have some roots or something. Okay. Okay, so we have some ants house, so let's go ahead and try it. It should be easier. And like I told you to load, you cannot do it because you do need a RAM for this, okay? But it's pretty powerful, I would say. It's kind of slow, but I tried pushing the truck, and I can demonstrate this. You can see that it can push the truck. So pretty much, if the truck gets stuck, you can help the truck to get out with this machine or tractor. As you can see, I can push. So pretty much it's interesting, but I wish it could load and unload differently, not just one, at least if it could go back and forth, but it's like going in circle. That's the only downside about this tractor. So I made this ramp here, and let's see what we can do here. I get stuck. Ouch. So it's kind of far away, but you pretty much know what I mean. But see, if the tractor was close as this, then it would definitely be able to load. But at this point, I think I just need some more practice. It's still interesting, I would say. If you like something like this, then so guys, if you like this video and if it was helpful, Please like the video and also subscribe to my channel, guys.